Hey everybody, welcome back to Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. And if you haven't done so, please visit our website. This is Subscriber Choice Monday video, and I know it's Tuesday. I really apologize for that. I got super busy last night and couldn't get it done. You guys know the routine. Everybody in the comments below, post what you'd like to see me build. Whatever item gets the most comments is what I build, and I'll do it. And I'll do that video for you guys and have it up by Friday. If you're the first person to post an object, like, inner cover, whatever. If you're the first person to post the item that actually gets the most people commenting about it, that they want to see built, you get a shout out in the video. So look for that. It'll be out Friday. Start commenting today, right now, and by Thursday night, or actually by tomorrow night, sorry, Wednesday night, maybe Thursday morning, depending on the number of comments. I'll take a look at the comments, and whatever you guys choose is what I'll build, and then I'll have that video up for you guys Friday evening, I think. It may be late this weekend because me and the family are going camping, but I'll have it up for you guys. So go ahead and do it. Visit funnybugbees.com, and we'll see you later.